back here. So when the rocket kind of is starting to blast off, it takes you way up to the top. But when it's kind of up here, it takes you a little bit as high as it can go. And when it's this high, it takes you a little bit down. So it's more safer. But when the rocket is this high, it takes you all the way down. And I can also hold the rocket in place if I can show you. It's like that. And there's beams that hold the rocket in place. And that's it.
You said something about wheels.
The rocket's on wheels.
Really?
Yeah. Real.
It's pretty cool. Do you remember who you got it from?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Auntie Sherry, Uncle Josh, Auntie Sky, and Uncle Scott, and Kylie and Megan.
No.
Do you like it?
Huh?
Do you want to thank them for it?
Thank you.